Dear friends, I am Dr. Bharat Parab discussing the topic pairs of angles. We know complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair of angles, vertically opposite angles, etc. Okay. Now let us study the relations between these type of angles. Pair of angles, linear pair axiom. Okay. Out of all the pairs of angles said above, these are pairs. Okay, we shall consider linear pair of angles to study an axiom related to linear pair of angles. It's called as linear pair axiom. Okay, so to study the axiom you should know this linear pair of angles. So consider this figure. ABC is a line. From B there is another arm forming an angle BD. Okay, so consider the angles ABD, this angle, CBD, and ABC. Now in this, angle ABD plus CBD is equal to ABC. Okay, it is simple. But ABC is 180, also a straight line. Therefore, ABD plus CBD is equal to 180, or in short, P plus Q is 180. When this is the case, these are called as linear pair of angles. Okay. This gives rise to an axiom 1, linear pair axiom. If a ray stands on a line, we are talking about a ray standing on a line. Okay. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. Then they are called a linear pair of angles. Okay, we have seen this in the last slide. Okay. Now 1A is marked as 1A because what we are trying to find is a converse of the above axiom. Okay, if axiom states about the ray stands on a line, okay, then the converse of the above axiom is also true. And what is that? We can state it as, we can state the above statement as, above means the converse of the statement, if the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then a ray stands on a line. Got it? Is sum of the adjacent angles and array, converse of these two. Okay, let us see the truthness of the axiom 1A. Okay, now consider the following adjacent pairs of angles. Figure 1, OA, OB, OC. Angles formed are AOB, BOC, and sum of both these angles or adjacent angles is 90. Here figure 2, OA, OB, OC, and angle formed are AOB, BOC, and 60 and 80 sum is 140. Figure 3, OA, OB, OC are the three arms. Okay, and angles formed are AOB 125, BOC 55, and addition is or sum is 180. Okay, this is a straight line. And figure 4, again same thing, OA, OB, OC, angle formed are AOB, BOC. Here these addition of these two angles 150 plus 55 is 205. So this is not 180. So you can see figure 3 is linear pair of angles. Okay, all these are adjacent angles, but this is linear pair of angles. Okay, got the clear idea of what is a linear pair of angles. Okay, so discussion so far gives rise to an axiom 2, linear pair axiom. If the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180, then the non-common arms of the angles form a straight line. Read it twice, thrice till you understand this. Okay, it's very easy actually. These two axioms together are called as linear pair axioms. Okay, and after this we will see this theorem. Okay, the pre-discussion about the theorem. Let us now consider the two intersecting lines. These are two intersecting lines, and we are talking about the opposite angles formed by these intersecting lines. Opposite angles are equal, and we will see the theorem on this. Okay, this angle and these angles, both these angles are opposite to each other, and so are these. Okay, theorem: if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. You have seen this. Now proof: let AB and CD be two intersecting lines. Okay, and they are intersecting at O. Then two opposite angles so formed, or pair of angles so formed, are angle AOC and angle DOB. Blue pair. Okay. Second one, angle AOD and angle COB. Pink pair. Okay. To prove that angle AOC is equal to angle DOB, this is what we have to prove, and angle AOD is equal to angle COB, pink, are equal. This is what you have to prove. Now to prove this, consider line CD. We have to consider only this line CD, and a ray OA is on line CD. Okay. Now this gives rise to two angles AOC and AOD. So angle AOC plus angle AOD is 180 because they are on straight line. And if we consider this line AB, which forms the angle AOD and angle DOB, angle AOD plus angle DOB is also 180 because this is also straight line. Then we can equate this addition. Okay, so angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to this angle AOD plus angle DOB. So we can cancel this AOD, and you can see that angle AOC or AOC, okay, is equal to DOB. Okay, we have proved first pair. Similarly, we can prove AOD. Okay, angle AOD is equal to angle COB. Okay, so this is the proof of this. Okay. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you have any difficulty in this topic of pairs of angles, let me know through comment section and I shall solve it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanking you. Good luck.